What are you doing, Jude? You working? Huh?
No, you're supposed to clean it off of there, not put it on. No, take it off. Clean it off.
Oh, he's putting it back on?
Yeah, with this. You get it off. Take it off. Take it off. Don't put it on. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a big helper.
Are you working? You look like... Jeez. You look like you could be a landscaper. You could come and help me. You want to come help me this spring? I need help doing this stuff. Jeez. What are you working? You working with Grandma? You working with Grandma?
Yeah, we're working. Jude and I are working. We're doing landscaping.
We like landscaping, don't we? Huh?
Soccer ball.
Soccer ball.
We came out to play ball, and then the next thing I knew, we were doing landscaping.
I'm going the road.
The ball's in the road.
Yeah, I told him not to throw it in the road, and he threw it in the road.
I throw it in the road. I throw it in the road.
You helping, Grandma?
Yeah.
You gonna help Grandma or what?
Thanks. 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 Thanks.
Yickies. What are you gonna do with all this stuff now?
Just leave it there. Somebody else can pick it up, but Jude and I are gonna at least get some of the...
Dead stuff off? You helping?
Put this one over in the pile. Put it over there in the pile.
In the pile.
In the pile. Right here. See? Right here, the pile. That's where it goes. That's a good help. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Here's
you.
another one, Jude. Put that in the pile.
Okay.
That's a big help.
Good job.
That's a big helper.
More.
Yeah. I think
Have more.
Yeah.
Have more.
This is
This is a big one.
big one. This is a big one put over there. It's a big one. Put it in the pile.
Good job. You're a big help, huh?
Have more. Have more.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get to it. There's one.
It's got a pretty cool front yard to play in, huh?
Put this one in there. Put this one in the pile. Right here, this one. Put it in the pile. There's one. Put it in the pile.
Hasn't taken care of this one in a while, huh? Say cheese. Say cheese. Say oogie boogie. Say oogie boogie.
Boogie boogie.
Here's a real big one, Judith.